J. Cruz, aka known as the Audiocat, with another day, another video for y'all, man. Very pleased to be at this place today. My son's car has given him a little concern. Nothing major with this car at all. He's got it here at the dealership because he's having a problem with no audio. But I always tell you, when you come to the dealership, man, we have relationship with people that we deal with. This is my man over here at the dealership. Tell everybody your name for the camera because they know exactly who you are.
Juan.
Juan, how long you been at Ford?
I've been here for over a year and a half already.
So this is the guy who's been dealing with Isaac's red Mustang and the blue Mustang, but now we got a special guest today in the building, man. Somebody who's been talking smack since we got here. She is, what's your name for the camera?
Lauren.
Lauren, did you get the box?
I did get the box.
She got the box, and y'all know on my YouTube channel, y'all know what the box is that I'm talking about, man. But she got the box and she was talking smack about this car because he came with this here, but she said that she'll beat him on the track. So tell him what you're talking about the track.
Oh man, you gotta go autocross with it. No straight lines with this.
No straight lines. You like to be going, because you drive a Subaru.
Yeah.
Should we say my condolences for that, or should we say we understand, or I don't know, but it is what it is, guy. But she's over here working with him. They introduced her to us today because she's a new service advisor at the dealership. If you need something in your Ford, definitely come and check them out. It's at Westway Ford here on 183. We brought him the Audiofox because my son is having a problem with his car, and that is that he has no audio. And being a teenager with no audio is kind of like having a teenager with no cell phone. It's a problem, y'all. And long story short, we're waiting for Jose was dealing with some personal stuff. He got back into town. Huh? I keep on calling him Jose, Juan. We're all this. She over there laughing. Look at her over there, man. But we're just having a good time here. We dropped him off the car so he could do what he has to do and get it checked out with his technicians. And like I said, I build relationship with people, man, because it's important to have somebody who knows your vehicles and knows your cars and that you deal with and you trust. So look at the guy I trust. And if you have a Ford, come check him out over here at Westway Ford. He's in the service drive, man. His bin is number 5. I think it is number 2. Number 2 is his bin, man. Come and check him out because he's always done great by us in the red Mustang and the blue Mustang and everything we've ever had to do. He's definitely been the guy. So go check him out and let him know you're coming from Audiocat. If you have a Ford, this is the guy to come check him out. We're gonna leave him the car now and let him do what he needs to do. We'll get a report to y'all shortly of what we have to do to the Audiofox 2.0. Oh, we got some problems! Ah! We have actually gotten out here to Texas, LSX, man. This is Big Lou, man. You guys know him from the videos and being with us, part of our team here. Well, I'm part of their team, truthfully. He's 6Gen Lou on Instagram, as you can see right there. This is a beautiful car. We are at the place that we're gonna come and get some ideas for the Novocaine. These people do nothing but GM, so we're gonna definitely come and talk to this guy about getting this done and figure out what we can do to get this thing situated on the Novocaine, man. So stay tuned if we go talk to this guy and see what we can put together to bring the best Novocaine possible next year. Being on up there in the Mustang, y'all saw we dropped it off the other day. I'm about to call the guy from the dealership because he called me and he wanted to explain to what was going on. So, Edita, I need you over here, baby, so you can see what's going on with this baby girl. This is my son's car, so let's see what happens. Calling my rep over there and see what he tells us about this Mustang. We'll come back to y'all in a minute. She got scrambled eggs between the eggs. What? What's up, honey? Baby, come and give me something new. They're using my shit a lot. I gotta fucking do a video of all my people.
Yeah, I know.
That's not for you to fill it now. That's for me to fill it out for Sunday.
I know.
You're not supposed to be touching it. You're not even supposed to be fucking reading it.
I haven't even read it.
Leave it here, don't touch it. Don't be known to presentar.
Stop.
I miss my friend. I'm glad that this bitch is back from me. Come on, nigga. I need to know what we're doing, bro. We've gained 169 subscribers in 30 days. It's not doing like it used to. I gotta pick that up. I'm waiting for a call. Oh shit, I've been recording this whole time. I don't need to. For the guy's call, let's see what he got to tell us right now. Papi, how you doing, Papi?
Hey, what's up, brother?
Not much, Papi, not much. I know you tried to call me earlier, but I'm having breakfast with my wife. What's going on, brother? Tell me what's going on.
I got some news on your son's car, man.
Oh, he's here listening, so he could know what's going on, Papi. Talk to me.
Oh, man. So, is he, well?
No, he's here. He's listening here.
Okay, well, I mean.
It's his car, so he's got to take care of whatever he got to take care of.
Yeah, no, I try to save everything for him, man. But unfortunately, we found a lot of stuff burned out with the modules and everything. So it's causing a problem with the no noise. So I believe the radio's blown out too as well. And
damn.
We're probably looking around like $3,000, maybe $4,000 to get repaired, man.
Bobby, but why so much money? What went out? Like, what did the technician say went out on the car?
I mean, shoot, man, the wiring, I don't know if they got cross-wired or...
Well, I mean, like, I remember I told you that the amplifier was swapped out, you know what I'm saying? But it's back to... the wiring was, I told you about, remember I told you personally that the guy, I told you we bought the car used, remember that? But we put the wiring back to stock. I mean, but what modules are blown out?
I think it's the DPS. I'm not sure. I need to talk to the technician real fast.
How much is it to fix this car?
We're probably looking about 4,000, man. Just to be honest with you.
Papi, that's a lot of money. That's not gonna happen. That's I mean, if the technician could give me a list of what I need to buy, then I could probably just buy the parts and probably just how much I'll charge to program it if I buy all the parts that he says and put them on myself.
Well, I'm walking back here right now, man. You want me to talk to him real fast?
Yeah, let's figure that out because that could be too much money.
Gotcha.
I could probably just buy an aftermarket dash kit and put it in and be done with that.
Gotcha. All right.
Maybe it's like $3,000 to $4,000 to fix that. It's just car because it blew up.
What?
$3,000 to $4,000.
What he do to it?
He said that the modules, but I'm not doing that.
$2,000 to $3,000?
$3,000 to $4,000. I'm not paying that.
I said
I'm not paying that.
you have to get 2-3 jobs
No, bro.
to maintain your side chick.
No.
Yeah, I want side chicks.
No, it's cheaper to put a fucking aftermarket radio.
Yeah, metal side chicks. There you go.
I'll do a radio delete.
I'll
Just
know.
save weight.
I'll just put an aftermarket radio. He has aftermarket anyway. We can put an aftermarket radio to AC control.
So it's the radio the issue?
The radio and some modules. Nothing else is fitting in the car, right? Just the radio. That's crazy.
I lift my guy real fast. I'm back here in the shop.
With that problem, he may not even be able to put another.
And that we can't cover that under warranty or nothing, pa?
Nah, because there's so many wires showing on there, man.
I mean, because remember, we bought the car used. Is there any way we could fight with that? Because we bought the car used for Trophy Nissan. Is there anything we could fight on that?
Man, that'll be part of like Ford, man.
I mean, we didn't buy it from a Ford dealership. We bought it from Trophy Nissan. I mean, I kind of know that, but I mean, you know, I'm about to call them.
It is a Ford, so I mean, either way, you know, you buy it anywhere, Chevy, wherever, you know, you can always, as long as it's covered in the warranty, you should be good.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy. $3,000 or $4,000 is nuts.
Yeah, I got you.
That's just a lot of money for a
If
radio.
he would have just got himself a little Honda Accord like I wanted
Get out of
to
here,
get him,
Eddie.
he
Come
wouldn't
on,
have this
man.
problem.
Honda got electronic problems too, bro. Stop playing. Damn. I bought the desk. It's like $400. It's cheaper than mine.
I'm pretty sure your son's disappointed, huh?
He's looking at his phone. I don't know
He's about to
I don't know
cry.
what he's feeling, but I mean, it's just that it's very expensive. That's a lot of money, Poppy. $3,000 to $4,000 is a lot of damn money.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
For a radio, bro? Like, bro.
No.
I just want to know what the modules are. That's what I want to know. I just want to know what modules they are so I know what I'm looking into getting done. Because if I could put an aftermarket radio and save money, then I'd rather do that. But if the modules control something else, then I can't do it. So it'd be useless at that point. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah, let me look for the check. I'll call you back.
Dale,
I don't know where that.
Dale, Poppy. I'm waiting for that.
Right.
Dale.
All right.
We'll continue with this, but I don't know about this, man.
That's what these men get for having these metal side chicks.
Eddie, I ain't got time for that. Let me hang up.